We'll go down there later. Passing the trailer, little propane tanks for most of the stuff is packed. I didn't really talk a lot. Just to show people, well, mostly just to remember, the house. I'll do the inside next time. I'll go down for the last time. Only did like a few times. Little trail. I play in the backyards all the there in the woods. I play manhunt mostly. Ow! That little river that goes all along over there. I'll try and cross. Okay. Come on. These old and... Okay. Why? What is it? What's that? Oh. There we go. Show you the road. It's down there. Here's the trailer park. I'll try and zoom in. There's the flower garden. Oh yeah, my raspberries. And my pineapples. Pineapple. My raspberry and pineapple. Stuff. There's my, I think we'll green it. Don't know where the, oh see, that's my raspberry, that's pineapple, and strawberry somewhere. There's like stuff that, what would it be? And there's the barrel. Right there. I guess that's it. Alright. Bye. And I'm 10. I've lived here for like my whole life.